So in this quick tutorial, we're going to discuss how you can lock a track over the timeline of Davinci Resolve software on the edit panel. So it's a very convenient feature if you don't want to apply some effect or don't want to change something over a particular track. You can just simply lock it and work over the other tracks. So all you need to do is to just simply import the video files or the audio files over the timeline, and a multiple tracks has been enabled in your case. Now to if you want to lock some particular track, you can see over this track panel, every panel has been this lock icon. Just simply enable this. If I enable this now, I'm not able to make any changes to this file. I cannot move it, I cannot make effect over there. You can just simply click again over there to unlock it, and you can see multiple layers has been multiple lock icons, so you can just simply do this from here only. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.